In a recent judgment, the Punjab and Haryana High Court gave a major setback to realty giant DLF Limited, ordering the company to return 11 acres of land to the Park Place RWA. The court also came down heavily on the company for not delivering on what they had promised. Here's our report.
Harsh Sehgal, president of the DLF Park Place Residents Welfare Association, is happy that a long-fought legal battle against DLF for not allocating promised land has finally come to an end, and that too in the home buyers' favour.
When the deed of declaration was filed by DLF in 2012, the land area mentioned in the deed of declaration was 19.33 acres, which was substantially lower than what was required of as per FAR norms or even as per the promise they had made. By the way, during the period 2006 to 2010, DLF had also shot out various other promotional letters to sell the project, which also maintained the area of 30 acres. Having done all this, then we realized that DLF is not playing fair with us.
The court has directed the Department of Town and Country Planning to identify and demarcate the 11-acre land contiguous to Park Place. The court further ordered that if the company fails to provide any land or third-party rights are created, then the home buyers would be eligible for compensation, for which they can approach the appropriate tribunal.
In the event there is no land which is contiguous, then we shall be entitled to other relief.
When connected, DLF Limited chose not to come out with any statement in this regard. However, legal experts feel that this judgment will surely set an example for other home buyers facing similar issues. The home buyers are also considering moving the Supreme Court on FAR violations done by the company in Phase 5.
The moment I calculate the constructed area to the land area that we should get by a formula of 1.75 acres, we should get 45 acres. DLF took a stand that you will not get 45 acres for the simple reason that this is not a standalone independent condominium. It is part of Phase 5. To which we countered, these are sales at different points of time, different deed of declarations have been filed. As far as we are concerned, there is a subdivision of this, and therefore you will have to maintain 1.75 as the FAR here. On those points, we will have to go to the Supreme Court.
This victory for the home buyers will set an example for those developers who do not fulfill their promises and keep their customers in the dark. That is why RWA is so important, and once it will be in place, developers will be held accountable for not fulfilling their promises. And it is high time that the developers bring their act together and work fairly. With camera person Saji, this is Chanakya Bhatia for NDTV.